Hey adventurer, welcome back to the guild. Today we are setting off on a creative quest. Meet PawTreats, a fictional pet wellness brand I crafted as a passion project. But this isn't just a design for fun kind of thing. I built it like a real client project with a brief, strategy and goals. So pack your tools, this one's got heart, hustle and some tasty design treats. To start with, I used ChatGPT to help me simulate a believable client brief. And this is what it came up with. PawTreats is a premium wellness brand for pets focusing on natural, vet-approved treats that boost immunity, joint health and overall well-being. I built this brand for millennial pet parents like 25 to 35, people who are health conscious, emotionally invested and looking for more than just another chew toy. While researching competitors, I noticed something interesting. Most brands were either way too clinical or overly cartoonish, so I wanted to bridge that gap, something that feels clean and trustworthy, but still emotionally warm. Here's where the process took an unexpected turn. Instead of starting with sketches, which I usually do, sometimes the best design comes when you are simply playing with the letter form. I began exploring with a typeface called Young Vegas, and forgive me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. After multiple rounds of trial and error, one direction started to stand out. So I refined the type, softened some edges, adjusted the stroke, and introduced subtle paw-like curves into letter P and S. It's not overly obvious, but it's enough to create a gentle emotional connection without leaning into cliché. And the result, a logo that feels warm, approachable, and trustworthy without shouting pet brand. And of course, I ran a quick originality check. Even with the frictional work, I treat it like a real thing. That's just the part of a design practice. Type sets the emotional tone, and I wanted something that felt personal. Jan Vegas remains the hero, bold, rounded, and approachable. Supporting it is a quicksand, a clean sans serif that's easy to read but still warm. Together, they strike a balance between playfulness and professionalism. As for the color palette, I took inspiration from nourishment and comfort. Vanilla beige sets a calm and cozy foundation. Then I brought in rust brown and toffee for depth, warmth, and that wholesome earthy vibe. These aren't just a pretty color, they help the brand feel trustworthy and caring before a single word is read. A good logo needs to be flexible, so I built a full system which includes horizontal, stacked, badge style, and a monogram. Whether it's printed on a treat bag or sitting in an Instagram bio, the brand stays consistent, clear, and memorable. Every element from typography to colors was built with intent. Not to look cool, but to solve real branding challenge. How do you make a pet wellness brand feel both credible and caring? Even though the PawTreats doesn't exist in the market, I treated it like a real client because the process shouldn't change. And with that, our PawTreats quest come to a close. You can check out the full project visuals on Behance. Link is in the description. If you found something valuable in this journey, subscribe and join the guild.